Problem 5.26. To construct a regular polygon given the length of its side. Let the number of sides of the polygon be 7. That is heptagon. Method 1. Draw a line AB equal to the given length. With center A and radius AB, draw a semicircle BP. With a divider, divide the semicircle into 7 equal parts, same as the number of sides. Number the division points as 1, 2, etc. starting from B. Draw a line joining A with the second division point 2. Inscribe circle method. Draw perpendicular bisectors of A2 and AB intersecting each other at O. With center O and radius OA, describe a circle. With radius AB and starting from B, cut the circle at points C, D, etc. up to 2. Draw lines BC, CD, etc. thus completing the required heptagon. Arc method. With center B and radius AB, draw an arc cutting the line A6 produced at C. With center C and the same radius, draw an arc cutting the line A5 produced at D. Find points E and F in the same manner. Draw lines BC, CD, etc. and complete the heptagon. Method 2. General method for drawing any polygon. Draw a line AB equal to the given length. At B, draw a line BP perpendicular and equal to AB. Draw a line joining A with B. With center B and radius AB, draw the quadrant AP. Draw the perpendicular bisector of AB to intersect the straight line AP in 4 and the arc AP in 6. A square of a side equal to AB can be inscribed in the circle drawn with center 4 and radius A4. A regular hexagon of a side equal to AB can be inscribed in the circle drawn with center 6 and radius A6. The midpoint 5 of the line 4, 6 is the center of the circle of the radius A5 in which a regular pentagon of side equal to AB can be inscribed. To locate center 7 for the regular heptagon of side AB, step of a division 6, 7 equal to the division 5, 6. With center 7 and radius equal to A7, draw a circle. Starting from B, cut it in 7 equal divisions with radius equal to AB. Draw lines BC, CD, etc. and complete the heptagon. Regular polygons of any number of sides can be drawn by this method.